3.
Hello, this activity is a cardboard box creativity and is for children between 1 and 3 years old. This activity is important for development because the child develops creativity and imagination.
Ingredients. This activity will need a box, a pencils, a glue, a colors, and cardboard. These items are online as an example, but you can order creative materials. Instructions 1. Take a cardboard, a box. Choose what materials we want to use. 3. Decorate the box as we want. Using our imagination, we can do a car, a box, a castle. 4. Finally, play and enjoy your cardboard, a box.
Hi, today we will make a cardboard box creativity, and this activity is fun and you will like it a lot. So first we will take a cardboard box, and here I have some materials to decorate the box, like stickers, other type of stickers, shapes with this colors or color scissors and glue. And we are going to decorate the box with these materials, and we can paint like this, or as we went our box, and use your imagination, and because the box can be a plane, a castle, a house, whatever you want. And when the box is finished like that, enjoy the box, enjoy with the box, and you can start playing.